Hiding from the world? Hi guys! The clock is 20 minutes to 1 and I got to work no, let me start over. After I started exporting the blog yesterday, I decided to go to bed and just rest for half an hour. Yeah, that ended up being 3 hours because I did not hear my alarm go off. Then I got out of bed, got the blog up, got something to eat and went to bed around 11 to midnight. Woke up again 3:45 this morning and could not go back to sleep. So I listened to an audiobook, tried to rest my body and went to work 6 o'clock. And then I only had the cleaning and couple rooms and breakfast for 6 people. And then I went home and I was home 11:30. Yes, I said 11:30, so that's an early day for me, which means I need to get some stuff done at home. So I'm right now eating, cuddling with my cat because this little fellow has been having a new habit of laying on my keyboard to my computer, which means he's pushing a lot of buttons he's not supposed to push, and that makes complications on my computer. So I have to start the computer up and check that he hasn't pushed anything he shouldn't push. And then I'm gonna go into the garden after this. What? Yeah, I know. I'm bad. I'm really bad. I thought I would lay down just for a half hour. Shouldn't have done that. I passed out for almost 2 hours. So now the clock is 3:30 in the afternoon. And I haven't been outside yet. I need to go outside right now and do some things, so I'm gonna do that, and then the blog will have to wait a little bit. And of course now it starts raining. Why? Moshi, can you bring the rain away? Can you scare the rain away, please? Yes, mommy, I get right on it. I don't think your meowing is gonna help, just so you know it. But you may get a shower if you stay out here. You know what, guys? I can't cut the hedge because now it's raining, and I don't want to get electrocuted because everything I use for cutting is electric. I'm using electricity, and when I'm trying to do something in here, I have to put it outside before I put it back in again, which means it gets wet. This is really not thought through. So I'm going upstairs after I end this blog, so good night guys, and thank you for watching. So for today has been such a crappy day, but that's just how it is. Thank you for watching. Good night guys.